Finding your own feet. The idiom, finding your own feet, is used to describe the process of becoming independent and self-sufficient in a particular situation or area of life. It is often used to refer to someone who is learning to navigate and adapt to a new environment or circumstance. This idiom is commonly used to describe situations where individuals are gradually gaining confidence and becoming more comfortable in a new job, school, or living situation. It suggests that they are no longer reliant on others for guidance and are starting to make their own decisions and take responsibility for their actions. Here are a few examples to illustrate the usage of this idiom. 1. After moving to a new city, it took Sarah a few months to find her own feet and establish a social circle. 2. John struggled in his first year of college, but after joining clubs and participating in campus activities, he started finding his own feet academically and socially. 3. When starting a new job, it is common to feel overwhelmed at first. However, with time and experience, employees gradually find their own feet and become more confident in their abilities. 4. After years of being financially dependent on her parents, Lisa decided to move out and live on her own. It was challenging at first, but she eventually found her own feet and learned how to manage her finances and responsibilities. In all of these examples, the individuals are initially unsure and reliant on others. However, as they gain experience and adapt to their new situations, they become more independent and self-sufficient, finding their own feet.